Think about standing beside them getting a picture.
Huh?
Standing beside them get a picture. I'll be in the middle.
Do you want? Pode tirar?
Acesso autorizado.
Yes. Round 5, dia 26 de dezembro, só na Netflix.
Obrigado. I'm doing the same pose. Is that for on the door?
Huh?
Is that for the door?
No.
Flamingo. Flamingo. Right there. Flamingo.
This is a pomba.
Pomba. That's a flamingo. Suco. Suco natural. Ooh, detox. You get some of that. Yeah, get some of that and be like, gotta get home.
Exactly.
Gotta get home.
You want a detox?
Let's try it. Ask him, does it work?
You can say for later.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Getting a detox drink here. And here's the IG. How long can I take this before I got to get home? Time limit.
Falou detox, né? Que vai
Okay, I get it.
What have inside? You tell me o que tem aqui dentro?
Oh, it has carrots. It's not spinach. What's the name?
Kale.
Kale. Yeah. Kale. Pineapple.
Apple. Masam.
Not apple. Passion fruit. I believe.
Passion fruit.
Okay. Maracujá.
Face, babe.
All right.
No
I
sugar. No sugar.
Hopefully I can make it home.
Ah.
Okay, so we got a natural juice here on ice. All right, let's go see if we can see Tiago. Cats for sale. Yeah, fight. Attack. Free is too much. Free costs too much. Interesting. Obrigado. You think Mama like? You think Mama like?
I think so. Querem provar um sabor diferente? Maracujá, abacaxi. This is a mix.
Yes. Sim.
Levar água de coco, moço? Eu vou levar uma missa.
Let me do it. I would do it.
Deixa eu trabalhar e eu falei, eu vou passear um pouco, lógico.
No.